Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to block TikTok account. So if you mean that you want to block someone's TikTok account, you need to open TikTok on your device and then open whatever TikTok account you want to block, for example this one, and all you need to do is tap this icon at the top right corner. This is the sharing icon, and now select block and confirm your decision by tapping block. And now you see that you have blocked this user. So that's how you can block TikTok account. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.